This simple automation that I made with Facebook notes inside n8n is automatically going to post reels for me, stories, as well as a post on my feed. So let's just run a demo now. If I click execute workflow, at the same time we're gonna post a reel and story and also a post. So let's just do that. I'm gonna click execute. Now first is going to post a reel. All right, now the reel has been posted. Now it is going to post a story for us. Story also has been posted, and now it is going to post an image inside my feed. All right, the image also has been posted. So let's go to my Instagram and watch it. So this is my Instagram. Let's refresh this, and you see that I have a story. So let's just open it. You see it was like 23 seconds ago, and yeah, this is the same post on my feed 18 seconds ago. And if you go to the Reels section, you'll see that this Reels also was posted 51 seconds ago. All right guys, yeah, you see this is the power of automation. And if you are creating content and want to publish it automatically on your social media, then you can use this template. I'm gonna also walk you through step by step in each note how you can set up this for yourself. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get this template for yourself, so you can just bring it to your n8n and set up your credentials and to be able to use it for yourself. So the very first thing that we actually need is obviously an Instagram account connected to our Facebook page. So if you go to your Facebook account, and if you go to your settings, and if you scroll down on the left menu, you will see linked accounts. So just click on here and you see that your Instagram must be connected to your Facebook page. And after that, we need to create our developer account. So just head over to this website, developers.facebook.com. Try to sign in with either your Instagram account or your Facebook, or just with an email address. So once you create your developer account, you will be on this page. Right now you see that I have one app. I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna create this app from scratch with you. So just to show you how we can set up it from the very beginning. So let's just delete this one here. All right, now our app has been deleted. So from here, just click on create app. So we can create our application inside our meta. Next thing, create app. So here you need to give it a name. Just keep it simple. Just remember that you cannot use words like Facebook or FB, IG. These kind of words, it's gonna get blocked. So for demonstration and for demo reason, I'm just gonna use n8n auto posting, and from here you can use the same email address or whatever email address you want. So then click next. From here you need to choose others and scroll down and choose this option for your app. Next, we need to select the type for our application. Either should be business or consumer. So if you want your app to have full access, which is kind of what we want in this video, then you need to choose business. But don't worry, you don't need to have a business or business account or anything else. So just click on business and then click next. So here again, check your settings, the app name, the email address, and here you see that you can also add a business portfolio, and it is optional. So right now I have, but I don't want to connect anything. But if you don't have, then that is not a problem. You can just keep it as it is. No business portfolio selected. So just click here and create your application. All right, once you create your application, you will be taken to dashboard page. And the very first thing that you need to do inside your dashboard is to add a product to your app. So this product can be a messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, or whatever else. So now in this video, we want to automate our Instagram. So there you go. You just need to click on setup, and this is all you have to do. All right, after that, it will take you to this page, API setup with Instagram business login. To be honest, you don't really have to do anything here. So we just wanted to add this product, like Instagram product, to our application, and we did it. So that's fine. Now the next thing is that to turn our application from development mode to live mode in order to be able to use it. So, but if you click on live mode, you will get an error for the first time, which it says that you need to have a privacy policy URL. So let's just go and fix that. From here on the left side, just click on app settings and go to basic. And here you see that it says privacy policy URL. So if you have a privacy policy from your website or anywhere else, you can just drag and drop it here. But if you don't have, just ask ChatGPT to come up with some general and generic privacy policy. And then once you have it, just copy everything, put it inside the Google Doc, and then just grab the link and put it here. So this is exactly what I'm doing here, and that is fine. It should work. So then click save changes, and you see it says saved. So once you save it, then you will be able to turn your app into live mode. So let's just click here, and we shouldn't get any error. All right, you see that now our application has been switched to live mode, and we will be able to use it. So the next thing we need to do is to connect our Instagram, the Instagram account that we want to post on that automatically. So from here, you need to go to app roles, and then you need to go to roles. So here you see yourself as an administrator, but this is not the Instagram account that is connected. So from here, click on add people, and at the bottom you see it says Instagram tester. So click on this. Then you need to put the username of that specific Instagram that you need to make it automate, like post automate on it. So here I'm just gonna use my main account. Yeah, that's the one. And you can also add another Instagram accounts if you want, but for this video is fine. I just want to automate my Instagram account, and then click add. So once you add, it says the status is pending. That's why we need to go to our Instagram account and accept this invitation. So go back to your account. I suggest to go on your desktop or PC or laptop. Once you are in your account, just go to more and then settings, and scroll all the way down until you see website permissions. So click on apps and websites, and from here just go to the tester invites, and you will see that this is the same app that we created. Now it is asking us to accept or decline it. So just accept it, and once you accept it, you can go back to your developer account and just try to refresh in order to see that this pending status is gone. All right, now the status is gone. This means that our Instagram account is already connected successfully to our developer app inside Meta. Now let's jump back to n8n, and I'll show you how we can set up this node. So if you don't have account to n8n, there is a link down in the description. You can just click on that link and grab your n8n for 14 days free trial. It is just more than enough to just get started with n8n and see how you can build super powerful automations. So just go ahead and grab that link and sign up and get your 14 days free trial. In order to use this node, although maybe you have a question like why this says Facebook. So Facebook is a main company that owns like everything else, like Instagram, WhatsApp, and many other platforms. That's why in n8n we only have this Facebook node. We don't have Instagram, but this is going to be the same, because how we set up our credentials, this means that we tell Facebook or Meta that we want to use Instagram. So don't worry about it. It might sound a little bit confusing, but once I show you, you will see that how easy it is to set up this. So if you click here and type Facebook, you will see that we have three kind of Facebook nodes. One is a trigger. When something happens in Facebook, then we get this data here. This is the Graph API, and the next one is lead ads trigger. So first and third one, we don't have anything to do with them, and the one that we want to use is Facebook Graph API. So this node is exactly what we want in order to send our request to Facebook servers and say that, hey, we want to post on Facebook, hey, we want to post on Instagram, or we want to do something else. So this is the node that we are going to use. And all we need in order to use this node, this Facebook Graph API node, is to set up our credentials to connect with. So right now you see I already have 2 connections, but if you don't have, you can just click on create new credential, and all you need is an access token. So let's go back inside our app and I'll show you how we can get our access token. So now we are on the app. Just scroll down until you see the Instagram product. So here there are 2 ways to get access token. The first thing is that to get access token using Instagram login, and the second method is to get the access token with Facebook login. So Instagram login, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but Facebook login always works. So I suggest you follow me, do the same, and let's go grab our access token with Facebook login. So when you click here, it says that the Instagram API with Facebook login allows Instagram professionals to use your app and manage their presence on Instagram. So what does it mean? This means that we already connected our Instagram to our Facebook page, and in order to get the access token for our Instagram page, we're gonna log in with Facebook, which is connected to our Instagram, and then Meta will give us an access token which works for both our Instagram and our Facebook. But if we are only using Instagram login, that access token is only going to be used for Instagram, and sometimes it works and sometimes it breaks. So from here, we have to just go to tools. You see it says Graph API Explorer, and on this page you see that we can get our access token, but right now there's nothing to just get, and the generate access token button is also turned off or disabled. We need to just scroll down and give some permissions. We can add a permission here, and if you type Instagram, you will see that you have different type of Instagram permissions that you want to give. So basically we want to give permission to our application to just post on our behalf. So These are the permissions that I'm suggesting you to turn on. So first one should be Instagram basic. The next one is manage events. The next one is content publish, Instagram manage comments, Instagram manage insights, manage messages, and pages show list. Totally you should have 8 options selected. So some of them you might ask that they are not necessary, but you can just give access now to your app for these. So later on when we want to take another action, maybe answer to a comment or send a private message, then you don't have to just come back here and add the permissions. So you just add permission once and you forget about it. So once you have permissions selected, just scroll up and you see that now the button is enabled. So if we click on generate access token, now it will ask us to log in with our Facebook. This is the one exactly I told you. So click continue. Make sure you are logged in your Facebook. So now the next thing is to continue with the Facebook account. And here it says that which account you want to use. So here I have 2 accounts. If you're not sure which one to use, just opt in all and current future pages. But if you want this app to work specifically for a page, just make sure to select whichever you want. So now I just want to use this one, which is connected to my Instagram. And then you will see the Instagram account that is connected. So this is my Instagram account and the previous one was Facebook. So I choose the Facebook that is connected to this Instagram account. And let's just click on this and click continue. So now it is asking us to review, and these are the all permissions that we are giving to our app. So you can just review it, or if you don't want, just click save. So once you click save, it says that your page has been connected to your app. This is the name for app, and you say got it. And now you see that we have our access token here. So we can just copy from here. Make sure to save it somewhere safe, because later we have to use it again. And don't forget to do not share this access token with anyone else. So whoever has this access token can access your page and take actions on your behalf. So if you are seeing mine right now, don't worry, after this video I'm gonna delete this. So let's just copy this one from here. And now what we need to do is that to extend the lifespan for this access token, because this access token that we have right now, it is going to be working for a short period of time, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours or a week. So now we want to extend this time so we can use it further. Under the tool, just go to access token debugger. All you have to do, just paste this one here and click on debug. If you scroll down, you see that it expires in an hour. Just scroll all the way down and you see it says extend access token. So click on this. Once you click, it says that the new long-lived access token will expire in January 2nd, which is more than an hour. So then just copy the access token from here and save this somewhere else again. Now let's go back to our n8n, and here I'll show you how you can set up your credentials. So as you can see here, now I have my 2 credentials that I'm going to delete and use the newest one because I just made it. So let me just delete everything here. All right, now I don't have any credentials, so let's just build it together. From here, you can either click here and type Facebook. You will see Facebook Graph API. Just bring a new node. Let me disconnect it. So here, just open it and you see it says select credentials. Now click here, add a new credential, and all you have to do is to just paste that access token here and then click save. Once you click save, it goes green. It says connection tested successfully. This means that we are now connected to our application with our access token. So from here, just change the name, something that you remember. So I just say that my access token, save it. And pretty much that's it. So now we are connected to our app. We can start changing these settings in order to do whatever we want. Maybe we want to post the stories, post the feed, like post feed or a reel. Here, let's just go to this automation and I'll show you step by step what to do. So here it is connected to a manually trigger. So this is for me just to click and show you how it works. So let's just forget about this one. The first thing that we need to do is to post a reel. You can just bring this node, connect your access token, and the host URL you can use default. It should be default. The method should be post, and the Graph API version should be the latest one. You can always check the latest Graph API version from for Meta. You can just search it by Google. So right now the version 23 is the latest one because we don't have anything else, or you can just keep it as default. That is fine. So the node. So inside the node, you have to put your Instagram ID. So how we can get it? We can just go back to our Meta developer account, go to your apps and go to Instagram account and scroll down, open the first step. You see that your Instagram account is connected, and this is the Instagram ID for the specific account that you want to post automatically. So just click on it, copy it, and go back to n8n and just put it here for yourself. So right now I have it. The node should be your Instagram ID. So edge means that what actions we want to take. So if you know how to read API documentation, you can just easily go to the your app and go to the docs and see how you can publish content from Instagram platform. But if you don't know how to do that, I'm gonna tell you. So I just read all the documentation and I'm gonna explain how it goes. So what we are going to do first is that first we upload our image or story or our real video to Meta's server, and then Meta will give us an ID, which is the uploaded file. Then we use that ID in order to upload our file to our page. So first we're gonna upload it to the server, and then we're gonna post it to our Instagram account. So that's why first you see that the first node here is to create a container. So we create a container including our file. It can be image, video, or anything. And then once the file is uploaded on the server, then we can grab that ID for that file and post it to our page. So this is exactly what we have to do. So the next step is to create a container. And how we can create this container is by using the edge media. So if you put media in your edge, this means that you want to upload something on Facebook or Instagram or Meta server. Just use media. And the next thing is to send query parameters. So if you don't know how to do that, let me just show you here. So here just put your node, and for the edge put media, and under the option you see you have options to add. So just click add options and add a query parameter, and from here you can just add a parameter as many as you want. So you have the name and the value. So let's just go back here to show you for the container creation. For posting reels, what we need is 3 query parameter. The first thing should be video URL. The name for it should be video URL. When you send this to servers, to Meta, they will look for the video URL, the name, and they will see that you have a value for it, and they understand, okay, this is the file that they want to upload. So the next thing is media underscore type. Here you need to define what kind of media you are going to upload and post. So it should be reels, and all of it should be in caps lock, exactly how you see. So make sure to do the same, and you need to add a caption. So the name for it should be caption, and whatever you put inside the value, it will write it as a caption for your video. So yeah, here now I have video URL, media type, and caption. And here I just put a public URL. Make sure that whatever URL to your video you are going to post, it should be publicly available for Meta to just download it and upload it on their server. So here now I have some random video which is publicly available, and then for the media reels and caption I just say hello. So once we execute this step, on the output side Meta will send us an ID. So this is the ID for the container. It says that, okay, the container has been created with your files, and this is the ID. Now we want to send this ID back to Meta and say, hey, go and post this container for us. So the next thing is to use the same node here to just publish the content. But you see that in between I have some nodes. I'm going to tell you what it is exactly. So but let's just open this one. Everything else will be the same for publish content. You need to just bring this Graph API node here and connect it and connect your credentials. Everything again is the same, but this time edge must be media underscore publish. So what does it mean? This means that first we did media, and now we are going to publish that media. So just make sure to, for edge, use media underscore publish. Again, add a query parameter, and here this time we only need one parameter, and the parameter name for it should be creation ID. You need to type it creation ID, and for the value you need to put exactly that ID that Meta returns you after creating your container. So when you see here, I have this create container and I have this ID. All I did was to just grab this one and put it here. Once you do that, you will send this message to Facebook, hey, this is our creation ID, and please publish this media for us to our Instagram account, and then your reel will be posted on your Instagram account. But when you create your container, it takes time, obviously based on the video, the size of the video that you have, it takes time for Meta to upload on the container. So that's why we have to check for the status. So once the status says, okay, your container is finished and it is ready to being posted, then we need to just send the data to Meta. So that's why I added here 1, 2, 3 nodes. The first one is going to check the status, and the next node is a true or false node. It is an if node to see if a container is finished or not. So if it is finished, it goes to the true branch and we just want to upload it, like publish it. Or if it is not finished, it is still in progress, then we have to wait for some seconds. Here I have it set on 5 seconds, so it waits for 5 seconds and then it goes back again here and check the status. If it is again not finished, again we will wait another 5 seconds and again check. So also here in this node, it is a get method request to this address. So this address is graph.facebook.com and /our container ID. So I take the container ID and put it at the end of this address. So this means that I send this request and I get this status. So again, you need to have fields for it, and the fields, the value for it is a status check. So this means that, hey, when I send the request and they see that what is my request, they see that, okay, this person wants to check the status for this container ID, so let's send it back to him. So once you get back a data, you see that it says status code finished or in progress or failed or something. So when I receive finished, then we go to this way. So I put it here, like in the if node, I say that if the status, like I put it here, I say if the status equals to the word finished, this means that our container is already uploaded, so we can now post it. So it takes the true branch and goes here and post it. And after that, when you post it, it again returns you an ID, but this time this ID is only the ID to your video or reel that you posted. So you can later just do something with this ID, but if you don't need to just check it, you can just leave it as it is. When it returns you, this means that your reel has been successfully uploaded. All right, now let's go to the next step, which is posting stories, but everything else is the same. I basically just copy this and paste it here. So I'll just open it and show you. Everything is the same. The edge is media, but the only difference is that for stories, now we only have 2 query parameters. The first one is image URL. This is the address to the image itself. So let's just, if I take this and show you here, this is exactly the image that I want to post. So this is some random image, and yeah, this is the image URL that I'm sending, and the media type I'm saying stories. So this means that Facebook or Instagram, it will understand that, okay, we want to post this image as stories. So again, once we hit that execute button or we run our workflow, it sends us back an ID. This is for the container ID. Again, we check the status if it is done. If it isn't, we go and check again. If it is done, then we're gonna use the publish content, which is everything the same, media underscore publish, creation ID, and again we give that ID to Instagram to just say that, okay, yeah, this is our story, this is the container, our story is there, just publish or post this story for us. Now let's go to the last one, which is posting a post or a feed post. So again, everything is the same. I just copy everything and paste it here. So, but open it and let's see. So again, edge is media. We have the node. This is the same. Again, we have here, we have 2 query parameters. One is image URL, because when you post something to your feed, either it can be a reel. When you post a video, it goes to the reel, and when you post an image, it just like normal image to your feed. So again, we have image URL, and this time we have caption. So whatever you write as a caption, it will just put it there. Again, we create our container, gives us ID. We will check again. If it is ready, we go there. If it isn't, we just go here and wait. And once it is ready, we can just put media publish and creation ID. This is the container ID that we put, and send it back to Meta and say that, hey, post that to our feed. So everything is same. This is exactly how you automate your Instagram posting, like to post the like story, reel, or like a normal post. But there is one more thing that I need to tell you, and this is for this upload status check. So if you open it, you see that we send the get method obviously to this URL. So let me break it down. So this means that we are asking their server, which their address is https://graph.facebook.com/our container ID. Next thing we need to send is an authentication, and this authentication is using our same access token that I showed you. But here, just click generic credential type, and from the generic auth type, you need to scroll down and use query auth. So just once you choose query auth, you have this option to just add your authentication or your access token. Now I already have mine, but let's just do it for you. Create a new credential, and here you see we have a name and value. So value will be the same access token that we extended its lifespan. So you just put your access token in the value, that's it. But for the name, I already have read the documents from Meta, and the name that they want us to send, it should be access underscore token. So for the name, you should put access token. Don't forget that sometimes maybe you see that you need to put authorization like this. This is also true, but not for status checking. So I spent like 1 or 2 hours just checking every website that I have to understand what is the difference between authorization and access token. Basically, both of them are the same, but this is from Meta. This is how they want you to send your access token. So sometimes they want you to send authorization as a name. Sometimes they want you to send access token as a name. So for status check, I'm telling you, you need to use access token as a name and put your same access token like you have in here. And just click and save it. Just give it a name, whatever it is. So I will not save this one because I already have mine here. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Once you save it, it will use it forever here. And then turn on send query parameters. And then you need to have 2 fields. So the name for it should be fields and the value for it should be status check. And once you hit that button, it returns you with status code, which is finished. Or for example, right now you see that when I wanted to post the same reels from the beginning of the video that I show you. So yeah, we checked 8 times, and at the end, after the 8 times, it was ready to be posted and we take this branch. But for 7 times we hit this false branch. You see that 7 times we waited. So if you see 7 times by 5, this is 5 seconds. So it means that it took 35 seconds for my video to be uploaded on Meta's server, and then I could just post it or publish it. So this is exactly that. We check the status, and once it is done, because obviously without checking, you don't want to just go and publish because you will get an error. You need to first wait. Once the container is done, finished and uploaded on the server, then you need to publish that container to be able to get a successful result. So yeah, now you see that I have connected this to a manually trigger node, which I can just click here and it goes and publish everything. But just be creative. You can just connect this to like Google Drive. Maybe you put all your files in your Google Drive, and you can just set a timer for it. So every day it goes to your Google Drive and take your content and publish it on your Instagram page, or it can be also in a different Instagram page. It is totally up to you, and just publish and post contents regularly every day. So yeah, this is only for demonstration to show you how it works. It's super easy. Just you need to get your access token, extend the lifespan for it, and to be able to understand how you can configure these nodes in order to get the best result. Nothing more to explain. This is all you need to do to just automate your content posting on your Instagram. Now let me show you how you can get this template for yourself to just bring it here and connect your credentials and start working with it. So I'm launching my new school community, and for the first 100 members it is totally free, lifetime access. So just go to this website, the link is down in the description. The name for it is AI Modern Warfare. As you can see, only the first 100 get in for free. So from here you can just join the waitlist. We have a waitlist for it, and the community will be launched very soon. So how you can secure your spot? Just sign up to a waitlist, and once you sign up, you will get a referral code or a URL. Once you share that with someone else and you bring someone to our join list, you will rank higher in the list, and this is the way to make sure your spot is safe to be in those first 100 members. So I'm just run a demo here. So if you just type your name and maybe your email address and just say whatever you want to learn or build with AI. This is for me to understand better how I can create this community specifically for you and for your needs. So just say something like, I want to learn automation. So let's just click on join waitlist, and once you do that, you will be automatically joined to our waitlist. And you see that it says you are on the list, invite friends to climb higher. This means that if you use this link and give it to someone else and bring them also to our waitlist, when they use your link, you will rank higher in our list, and make sure to just secure your spot to be in those first 100 members that join for free. Yeah, so just grab your link and share it with someone else, and once the community is launched, you will be notified, you can join, you can get access to all the resources that I have provided in YouTube, as well as this automation that I have made. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found value and you enjoyed it, and if you did, just give it a like. It really helps me to show this video to more people like you. Just don't forget to join to school community waitlist. I'm super excited to launch and meet you inside my new school community. If you have any idea for the next video, and if you see more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel and put your idea down in the comment section. I'll be reading them and answering them as soon as possible. I wish you a great day, and I see you in the next video.